but we often regret not accomplishing something. Do we think about what we want about ourselves? Is that how we shape our lives the way we want? No, we don't. We are not looking for ourselves, we care about others. We think we can live to be happier if we can live the way they live, or better than their lives. We are getting used to comparing others' lives, how they live, what they do, what they have, like thinking about their lives and shaping our lives with theirs. Doing such things, we will suffer in many ways in the future as well. From the moment we wake up in the morning, we seek our happiness compared to others. So often we do not get the happiness we seek. Because of the lack of happiness we seek, we are subjected to various pains from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep at night. That's what happens in our daily lives. But all this pain is self-created because it's created in our mind. If we can be satisfied with what we get, we will not suffer in life by suffering because of what we do not get. You can live happily if you can change the way you think. In today's video, I will show and remind you some key points to change your thinking pattern. Watch till the end of this video to collect all those points that may be helpful to your life. If you agree or you have any thoughts around these, please leave a comment. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell button. So let's get started. Okay, I will show you 20 key points to change your thinking pattern. Point number 1. Way of respond. We cannot control everything that happens in our life, but we can control how we respond to it. The response is the greatest way to remain our happiness. Point number 2. Appreciate what you get. Instead of trying to reach over your limit, appreciate what you have already achieved. Then your mind, your life will always be happy. Point number 3. Always not think to be a perfect for everything. Do not think that you have to be a perfect in something to do. Without waiting to be perfect, just start doing what you hope to do. Then you can make up for your shortcomings and move on. Point number 4. Don't worry if you can't succeed. Repentance can never be successful. Train your mind, do what you can and do not regret it. Point number 5. Don't forget your failures points. Maybe one day you will fail at something you own, but the smallest reason it can fail may be the reason you will win at a future date. Point number 6. Do not give up seeing success, no matter how much you fail. Everything you do can fail, but no matter how much you fail, do not give up its success. The more you fail, the more it will bless, meets your shortcomings and moves on to success. Then no one will be able to lower you again. Point number 7. Do it what you can. Do not be discouraged after thinking about the outstanding nature of the work of prominent people in society. Don't always think you have to be the best person, but do what you can in the community. Then one day you too will receive praise from society. Then it will bring great joy to your heart and it will lead to a happier life. Point number 8. Try to do always a most important part. Do only what is important to you, then avoid what is not important. Then the end result will be successful. Point number 9. Spend money. Do only what you need to do when you spending money. Always think about your monthly salary or income. Think about what you can do with it, your monthly salary or income. Don't spend money to do everything that comes into your mind. Then it will make you happy every day. Point number 10. Train your mind. Instead of dwelling on the things you can't do in life, cut back on the things you really don't want. Train your mind as well as your body in a very simple way to face life. Then you can live a very relaxed and happy life every day. Point number 11. Do not miss your neighbors or friends for any reason. If a neighbor finds success themselves in a situation or buy something where we are not available or cannot, due to that reason, do not try to avoid them. Talk to them as usual. If you make it a habit, you will never suffer again because of others. Will always be equally happy. Point number 12. Do not go to underestimate your beauty. Even if you meet so many beautiful people in society, you should never think that you are not beautiful. Imagine you are beautiful. Always do your best to see the beauty in the others. Point number 13. Do nothing to other people in conversations. Make it a habit to listen to conversations with others who are not relevant to you, or to avoid engaging in conversations. That way you can avoid a lot of trouble. Then you can feel the joy of your life freely. Point number 14. Try to identify the nature of people as much as possible. Try to understand as much as you can about the people you associate with. Then you can avoid many troubles in the future. Point number 15. Don't always expect the maximum. If you are accustomed to always expecting the maximum, that is, you will be sad every moment of failure. There are many failures in your life. So make it a habit to accept the end result without expecting the maximum. Point number 16. Always follow your heart. Practice working straight from the point of view that suits you. Do not underestimate the power of your decisions due to other people. Strengthen your honesty to face all those. Point number 17. Take risks to reap the benefits. It is useless to dream of future benefits unless you are willing to take the risk for it. When you want to benefit from what you want to do, ask yourself, what do I have to give up to get it? Then the final result will be more successful. Point number 18. Life experience and understand the present culture. We need to understand the current state of society and not make harsh decisions until the time comes. We must learn the beauty of effort, patience, and perseverance in our life experience. Point number 19. Do not miss good opportunities. When you get a good opportunity, do not take it for granted that you are not ready for it yet. As you move doing it, you will understand how to do it right. Then you will be happy to see the success of it. If I do not accept this, would be a loss. Point number 20. Do not look for shortcuts. In one way or another, none of us will live forever. So do not look for shortcuts in life. In the face of all this, try to do exactly what you need to follow. That's all I have to say to change your way of thinking. You may not agree with these, and some of them may be difficult to get used to it. But try comparing some of these to your life to see if this is correct and if this will give you some progress. If you agree or you have any thoughts what I said here, please leave a comment. Before you go, subscribe the channel and click the bell button to get much more valuable contents to you. Wishing you all the success and happiness in life. Good luck.